What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Siddharth Nair and you're watching That Car Guy. Today's video is not going to be an automotive review video or a vlog. This is just a tech update for my channel which I have been sharing. Like when I got my first DJI Action 5 Pro camera, I did an unboxing, and this is going to be very similar because a lot of y'all who have commented on my videos say that my audio quality is not the best. I do understand. Even when I play it back on my headphones, the sound quality is not the best. So I have made an executive decision to buy this. Now this is the DJI Mic Mini. So this is those small kind of cameras which you see all of the big YouTubers using. So yes, I went up and purchased this, and this is a bundle which comes with two transmitters and one receiver. Well, I actually don't need that because I was looking for the one transmitter alone, but the issue is that is not available, and that would have served my purpose perfectly. I do have a DJI Action 5 Pro which the connection is wirelessly, so you don't need that receiver anyways. But yeah, and that the receiver alone costs around 7,500 bucks. Now this was pretty expensive, coming in at around 17,000 rupees, 16,000 something, almost 17,000 when it's said and done. So this was a bit pricey for me, especially. I don't do these podcast kind of interviews. It's just me and you and the camera. So this is what I had to buy. And now this is the box. Let's quickly get this plastic covering off. Nothing too fancy. I have a staple pin over here, and that is what I am going to use. This is so satisfying. So this is the paperwork along with the DJI stickers, which I am a very big fan of. And there is this soft pouch. So everything comes pre-installed inside this pouch. That is pretty new to me. So let's quickly tear apart this. All of this is very high quality, by the way. The unboxing experience is just supreme with DJI products. So yeah, this is the case. A very lovely DJI branded case. Let's see. A zipper over here, and what are the first items? So these are the wind muffs. So you get 4 wind muffs, and these ones, the gray ones, are the more stronger ones. This is more light. That is what I have read on the video reviews. And what is next? You have your cables, because I am not going to use it with a camera. I'm going to use it with my DJI Action 5 Pro, so I won't be using these. And here you get the case, and it's a very heavy case, by the way. Very lovely to hold. Now this is the charging case. You get the DJI branding over here. Press to unlock, and this is a peelable sticker. Very satisfying. And yeah, there it is. Looks really good. Let's just quickly take one out. And yeah, you do get the magnetic thing over here in the back. So yeah, it is a very strong magnet, so you can trust this laying on your shirt. This is not going to come off anytime soon. A very strong magnet, and the overall weight is just fine. It is not very ultra light where it is almost like a Chinese toy. This feels good. It has a good amount of weight. Let me just see without the magnet. Yeah, without the magnet it feels much more lighter. Feels like a quality product. The chrome writing on the DJI, everything looks really, really nice. And you also get the transmitter. This is what it looks like. You can adjust the gain over here, and this over here is the adapter. You take this portion out like this, and you mark up the orange arrow with the gray arrow over here. There's a click, and that's how you connect it to your phone like this. So if you want to use your phone, you can use it with the adapter and Bluetooth also. But yeah, I am not going to be using any of these because my connection is going to be genuinely from the camera itself. So this, I had to purchase it, but it's a good option to have if I upgrade to a more expensive camera in the future. This is a good thing to have. So yeah, that is what it looks like with the wind muffs on. A very soft wind muff too, and it looks really good. So this is an audio test with the inbuilt microphone from the DJI Action 5 Pro. How does it sound? Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. And this is an audio test with the DJI mic mini connected to the Action 5 Pro. What does it sound like? Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. And instantly I can see that there are green sound bars on top of my video, so I do know that I get a visual confirmation that the mics are connected. And now this is a test of the range. I am going to walk backwards, like significantly backwards, and this is what the sound is like. I am standing a good 3 meters away from the camera, and what does it sound like? I hope it sounds good. I'll know only in post-production. So yeah, that is one thing confirmed, and I really want to check out the noise cancellation. The TV is on right now in the other room, and yeah, I think it is being picked up by the mic. So let's check out noise cancellation. Yeah, there's a yellow light which indicates that the noise cancellation is on right now. Is there any difference? Let's do a check. Sound check 1 2 3. Sound check 1 2 3. Yeah, I hope the noise is much more focused on my speaking voice rather than the ambient sounds. So that is noise cancellation. The TV is on right now and it is loud, so I hope my voice is coming through very clearly. And this is the sound of the same environment with the TV running, coming from the audio captured directly from the DJI Action 5 Pro. So this is what the regular camera sounds like without the mic. So this is the audio test on the new DJI mic mini. Noise reduction turned off. This is a very boomy diesel Tata Safari, and the fan speed is set to 2. This is the fan speed turned all the way to the max. So do let me know what the sound quality is like, and let's just put it back to fan speed 2. And I am going to turn on the noise cancellation. Yep, this is with the noise cancellation on. Is there any noticeable difference? Is the boominess less apparent? I'll only know once I'll get into post-production. Switching the fan speed back to max, and now there is proper fan speed noise. The car is very boomy. How is my sound? Is the audio clear? And let's just do another test with the windows down. So yeah, now the windows down, the fan speed is set to 2. And how is my sound? Is it coming through? So yeah, this is the main reason why I got the DJI mic in the first place, because I wanted to have better quality of audio while doing such pieces to camera. And another major reason was I wanted to walk away from the camera and show you the car and me as in one frame rather than me just holding it vlog style. So this will give me that freedom. That was the whole reason of picking up the mic mini. And the form factor is really small. I am enjoying how light it is. Like, I hardly notice there is a microphone attached to my shirt. So it is very light. It is very convenient. I'm just hoping that the audio quality is as good. And that was it. That was my quick unboxing review with the DJI mic mini. So what do you think? Please let me know. And let me know if I have made the right choice with this, because there are a lot of alternatives like the Hollyland Mark 2S, and yeah, the competition is there. But I personally feel that this is a more quality product. It is a bit more expensive than those options, but it works seamlessly with the DJI Action 5 Pro. Like, there is no need of a transmitter or removing the door. So this is seamless, and that is the way I like to do things. So do let me know, what do you think, whether I made the right choice or not. Do let me know by writing down in the comment sections below. And if you enjoyed this video, do give it a big like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. We'll catch you pretty soon with another awesome car review video very soon. Till then, drive safe, have fun, and God bless. Bye.